All right, everybody, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care, and today we are talking about 0 clients to 100 clients. What would I do if I was just getting started? And it's funny that we're talking about this today because we are now getting ready to open another location in Florida in Naples, just down the road from our first location. And so I am going to go to what I would do to get started and then scale that up, even if you were just starting out and you hadn't already kind of been in that location some. And like this situation, we already do work in Naples, and now we're just going to expand in the area even deeper and do more. So the things I would do, first, I would make sure that I got a website started, figured out, learn who I was going to use to get something that would be built well and rank well. It doesn't have to have a million pages, but if you're going to offer landscaping and lawn maintenance services, get those made, get the keywords and everything set up well so it'll rank in your given area. So if you're doing work in Cape Coral, Florida, you want that to be Cape Coral landscaping, Cape Coral lawn care. So when people look for that, they find you and you're on that first page. And why I say I would start this first is because you need to get this thing and give this thing time for it to rank up and crawl Google to be, or for Google to be able to crawl it and index it accordingly. And that can take 6 months. That can take some serious time. Plus, your website is going to be that conduit. It's going to be the piece that everything else points to that pumps back to you as the individual or the office or whatever the case may be in the future. Secondly, whether you've got to do it from home, whether you've got an office, whatever the case, you need to get your Google My Business listing set up ASAP so you can start getting reviews, you can start building out your Google My Business page, you can start really making sure you utilize that, and then also get that social proof from those reviews to grow your business even more. And I'm going to actually skip my last point was reviews. That goes with that Google My Business. It's 2 pieces. We get that set up, and then every single job we get, we do a fantastic job, and we verify and do everything we can do to get a review on that project. We ask for that. We set the expectation up front that, hey, my goal here is to do an awesome project that you wouldn't hesitate for a second to leave a 5-star review, because we want to make sure we have 5-star satisfied, happy customers at every project. We get a review from everybody we work with so we can get more clients just like you. Now, finally, after those pieces are all tied together, the last little piece I would do to really start driving some traction is I would get door hangers, and I would start pushing out in those areas, doing door hangers that then point back to that website. And then as we get work, we keep running that machine. We start posting and talking about stuff on Facebook. We start making a little bit of YouTube content. These are all other ancillary things that are all slow plays that will get you more work. But that little bit of work that you get from a door hanger, and specifically like project work is what I'd be trying to get. So I could get a good sized project. That project, I can do door hangers around it, start maybe leaving a yard sign, then get another good sized project kind of from it and from being in that area, and then just grow and grow and grow and get reviews, pump that all through the website, and get more and more people talking positively about the company. And then I would keep stacking the layers on that onion. I would take that, I would get video talking about each one of these projects, what we were doing. I'd make short video, I'd post that on Facebook, I would post that on YouTube. I would answer clients' questions on YouTube, but they ask, you answer. Marcus Sheridan book, you should read it. Follow that when you're getting your business going and rolled up, becoming a source of expert knowledge in your industry for the issues that may come up, for whatever the services are that you are offering. And just with that stuff, you're going to be on the Google My Business listing. Your website's going to start ranking up. You are going to, if you shoot any YouTube video answering questions, you're going to own that area if it's keywords and its SEO is done right. And then the little bit of traction you get on Facebook and the door hangers, and you're going to start taking off and building and building and building just from those few things. That's exactly what I would do to go from 0 to 100 customers today. And honestly, other than maybe the website portion of it, if you're going to pay for someone to completely build that out, you got to make sure it's not just a turd Wix site that's not going to rank. But that'd be the thing that I'd probably drop the most money on, and the rest of it, like, you really don't have to spend much money for it. You could do a lot of stuff, very, very sweat equity, and do it for free if you had no money and you're trying to start up. So I hope that helps you. Share this with somebody else trying to grow their business. I'll talk to you soon. Best of luck.